Hi, I'm Phil with ABUS Mobile Security, the industry leader in motorcycle security. Today I want to tell you more about our chain locks. To build our chains, ABUS starts with high-quality virgin steel that is temper hardened for strength, flexibility, and weight. We also use the same steel in our lock bodies and internal parts, so they match the security of the chain. ABUS temper hardens its steel, which is more expensive and time-consuming than a standard case hardening, but it yields a stronger, lighter chain. What it does is progressively harden the chain from the outside in so the inner core remains flexible while the outside is super hard. This means you have to cut both sides of a chain link to defeat the chain. With more brittle case hardened chains, the link can actually explode when you cut one side. ABUS produces a wide range of security levels in our chains to meet varied security needs. The best of these chains are the Granit Extreme Plus 59 and the 12KS Loop. The chain loop is both sold separately and as a package with disc locks 8077, XS67, and Granit Victory 68. Let's take a closer look at the Granit Extreme Plus 59 chain. The chain starts with 12mm thick temper-hardened links that are mated to a massive hardened steel lock body that joins the ends in an integrated design which can be operated easily even with gloves on. The locking mechanism is also spring-loaded. This holds the chain into the lock body while locking or unlocking to make it easier to operate and reducing the risk of damaging a machine. Where the chain joins the lock body is a patented feature called a power link. This uses the last link of the chain to lock into the lock body, making this a very strong connection. To further increase strength and resist pulling attacks, the locking mechanism uses a second patented feature called the power cell. The power cell joins the chain to the lock body, making this connection stronger than the chain itself. Imagine a finger trap toy. The harder you pull, the tighter it gets. The lock cylinder is possibly the most important part of any lock. To give you a frame of reference, a standard non-electric car key has roughly 1,000 key variations. ABUS hand assembles its lock cylinders one by one, and for the Extreme chain uses its most sophisticated cylinder, the X Plus design, with up to 1.2 million key variations. The X Plus key resists picking and is built with a special receiver in the base that will not allow the key to turn unless it is fully inserted into the lock. This and the use of high-quality materials in ABUS keys reduces the risk of breakage. When you want high security, ease of use, and reasonable weight, up to 40% lighter than the competition at any given security level, pick up the Granit Extreme Plus 59 chain. Also using a 12mm chain is the ABUS chain loop. The loop end can be secured to a fixed object. The open end can be secured to a disc lock for added security and a 2-in-1 locking system. This impressive chain loop is sold separately or with a matching disc lock, like the 8077, the XS67, and the Victory 68. You get 2 locks in one, a chain loop and a disc lock to secure your machine in your garage to a fixed object or an ABUS floor anchor, and a compact disc lock that you can take with you on your ride. This way, you are always protected. When you need security, go ABUS. Thanks for listening.